Hello guys, so we are working on W1C6. So the issue of this vehicle is SRS. So we are having SRS malfunction, service required. So the customer bought the car just like this. I mean, when he bought the car, the SRS light was showing on the vehicle. So according to him, we have take the car to different technicians, but how to no avail. So let's see what we can do about it. So let's first of all diagnose the car. So the first thing to do is to put our scanner. This is our scanner. So that's what we can do. This is our scanner. Let's go to our system diagnostic, Mercedes-Benz. Let's diagnose the car and know what could be the issue, because this is not going to be a small problem. Let's automatic search for the vehicle. Yes. Okay, I confirm the VIN. Okay, system selection. Let's search for SRS. So this is the SRS. My ignition is on. Read fault code. So the fault is saying the crash sensor left door has a malfunction. The component is not configured. So as you can see that the SRS module still has one thing to be configured. So let's configure it. So go back, you go to variant coding, then ECU input communication configuration. That's where we will see the configuration. So let's go there. So this is the left side, I mean the driver side, that the system reported that it is not configured, and as you can see in the system is not really configured. So let's configure it and see if the warning light will disappear. So click on it, option, configured. Okay, then let's write it. We are writing it. Okay, then switch off your ignition. Okay, I have switched off. Alright, let's switch on the ignition. Okay, I have switched it on. Control module reset, please wait. Okay, the coding has been carried out. So let's go back and check the fault again. Let's check the faults. Read fault code. As you can see, there's no fault code there again. So let's check the warning light on the system and check if the fault still remains.
Okay, let's check for the fault again. So start your vehicle, then check for the light again. So as you can see in the system, there's no warning lights there again. All light clears. So that one is my seat belt. Oh yeah, once I put my seat belt, it will also disappears. So that is how to work on it, to configure your SRS through your module. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.